This year, I was a part of the Beacon Foundation Career Readiness program. The program focused on increasing students' career confidence by helping them understanding their skills and strengths and where they fit in the world of work. Beacon helps you find workplaces that best suit you and your career clusters by looking at a variety of work fields that you might have interest in. The program is an open and inviting place that helps you explore your future. Beacon provides a safe, judgement-free space. You can talk all about your worries for the future, but you can also always have a good laugh. Anyone who comes through the doors of Beacon is extremely warm and gentle, from the staff to the volunteers. During the program, we went on site tours to Hazell Brothers and MyState Bank Arena, and we dove into our career clusters and played games to give us more insight on what might best suit us for our future. Sometimes, you just need to take a deep breath and reevaluate everything. As scary as the work world might sound at this stage, there's time, and you have to remember, even though you're interested in something, there's always other options. If you're completely lost in where to go, that's okay. Life goes fast, but there's a lot of time to enjoy it. Don't rush.